to go ahead and show you guys how to install the Autosports Engineering one-piece bracket for the Yaris coils, those Toyota Yaris coils. And I'm going to show you how to do it on a non-VVTi 2JZ GE. As you see here, it comes with everything. It comes with all your hardware, your nuts and bolts. And these I went to the scrapyard and I grabbed these from the scrapyard because I like original genuine ones. So just go to the scrapyard and grab them, and we're gonna get this installed. Wow. All right, so here I got the bracket, and for the GE non-VVTi, you should just go ahead, take these right out. All right, so you see those two bolts back there. You're gonna go ahead and then put the bracket on like that. So when you put those two brackets on, go ahead and thread your little nuts on. Just get them started. All right, so don't drop the nut like I did before. Take 5. I'm gonna just go ahead and get this started by screwing it down a little bit. All right, that is started a little bit. All right, so when you go to install your coils, you have to take this little boot thingy off. Rubber spacer, that's what I'm gonna call it. Take this little rubber spacer off. You're gonna go ahead, put this in the hole, but then you're gonna lift the spacer up and you're gonna get this started onto the bracket. Go ahead and get that started. Now go ahead and tighten these up. That's good. All right, that is the install for the 2JZ GE non-VVTi Autosports Engineering 1ZZ 1NZ smart coil one-piece bracket.